This is a wave. Waves exist pretty much everywhere. Here, 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 even here. Now most waves travel, but they don't all travel the same. Some are transverse waves, and others are longitudinal waves. Most waves also need something to travel through, like air or water. This is called a medium. Now I could show you waves with a spring like this, but this is America! So we'll use some fire. This is a contraption called Rubens' tube, created by this guy, Heinrich Rubens. It visualizes waves with fire. It's also pretty easy to make. All you need is some PVC, some wood, a drill, some aluminum tape, propane, and a lighter. Okay, now that we have our medium, the fire, we need some waves. First we'll flick one end that has a plastic seal on it to create a small wave. We can see the initial wave go through and raise all the flames as it travels very fast, but after that, we can see the wave resonating, or bouncing off the ends, clearly through the fire. When we send a wave through the tube, the propane is pushed up by it, causing the flames to raise and lower. That was cool, but that was only one wave. What happens if we send some sound waves through it? As we mess with different frequencies, you can see the fire changes height and intensity based on the frequency. The taller points are called compressions, as the wave compresses the propane, whereas the lower points are called rarefactions. But at 20 Hz, we saw something interesting. Notice how it's flickering like that. This is because this happened to be close to the standing wave. Both of the waves we just saw are called longitudinal waves, because they travel by compression through a propane fire medium. With this knowledge, we can do some cool things, like this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, share the video. This project was made for a physics class, so comment any questions you have.